Please keep in mind that the DUAX needs 3 steps to finish the stapling procedure. Step 1, staple penetration. Step 2, the DUAX cuts the legs of the staple according to the thickness of the paper. And step 3, the DUAX flat clinch the legs of the staple on the back of the paper stuck. Now I have stapled 2 sheets of paper. The same procedure is needed for more sheets of paper. Let us see how it works with 170 sheets. It's easy. Now you see that the DUAX works with the same procedure on different sheets of paper. 2 to 170 sheets.